we are glad to offer the first of its kind Multi-Cap Infrastructure Index Fund. But first, let's discuss why consider investing in India's infrastructure sector. India's ambitious goal is to be a $5 trillion economy by 2025, a $10 trillion economy by 2030, and a $30 trillion economy by 2047. Capital investment as a percentage of GDP is high for developed economies. With expected rise in GDP, India is likely to follow the same. Infrastructure growth is essential to achieve seamless productivity in business sectors. India's focus on Make in India is directly related to how strong the backbone of India's infrastructure is. The National Infrastructure Pipeline, or the NIP, is a group of social and infrastructure projects in India to be undertaken over a period of 5 years, starting 2020. The initial sanctioned amount of Rs 102 lakh crores is planned to be spread across 9,000 odd projects. This initiative by the government is expected to attract domestic and foreign investments into infrastructure and improve the quality of life for citizens. Most of all, NIP will be crucial for attaining India's target of becoming a $5 trillion economy by 2025. The new Multi-Cap Infrastructure Index has helped to spread out allocations across market cap segments and not remain concentrated just in large caps. It intends to capture sectors benefiting from increase in public and private capital expenditure, government policy initiatives including NIP, and India's efforts towards increasing the use of renewable energy. Segment caps as 50% for large caps, 30% for mid caps, and 20% for small caps has played a very important role in allocating across key basic industries and subsegments spanning 75 stocks. This helps in representing the sector in its entirety. One should consider diversifying into the discipline of index investing. So why wait? Invest now with Tata Mutual Fund and own a piece of India's progress.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.